Every journey begins with pure, fresh milk. Every journey begins with pure, fresh milk. Quality is checked before transport begins. Now sealed, the journey continues.
Approved milk weights under controlled conditions.
Time and temperature remain critical. Milk travels quickly to preserve freshness.
Arrival marks the next transformation.
Every liter is carefully measured. Processing officially begins. Inside, precision takes over.
Milk enters a controlled environment. Human oversight remains essential.
Milk flows without exposure.
The factory awakens.
Impurities are removed immediately. Temperature defines quality. Only purity moves ahead.
Milk is now fully prepared.
Automation ensures consistency.
Heat protects the product.
Controlled heat kills harmful bacteria.
Balance is restored. Ready for transformation. Concentration begins. Milk becomes concentrated. Efficiency meets science. Heat protects the product. Texture begins to change. Liquid transforms into powder.
Milk is now milk powder.
Automation handles delicacy. Uniformity is achieved. Safety is verified.
Data guides every step.
Stored under strict control. Consistency perfected. Precision defines quality.
Human eyes confirm perfection.
Ready for the world.
Testing never stops. Standards are verified.
Safety is confirmed.
Only approved product proceeds. Production continues smoothly.
Ready for distribution. Precision in every pack.
Awaiting delivery.
Prepared for transport.
And this is how modern factories produce milk powder